In this practical task, we will demonstrate how to read and erase fault codes and how to monitor live data parameters using VCDS diagnostic software connected via the OBD2 diagnostic socket. First, connect the OBD2 socket and launch the VCDS diagnostic software. In the VCDS interface, select the HVAC control module. The software will automatically scan the trainer's data for further operations. Let's begin with reading and erasing fault codes. By pressing the Fault Codes button, a list of stored faults from previous operations will be displayed. In this example, we see fault codes that were triggered during the previous practical task. Press Clear Codes to erase the fault memory, then check again to confirm that all fault codes have been successfully removed. Let's simulate another fault to observe how it appears in the diagnostic tool. First, ensure that there are no fault codes currently registered. Then, remove a jumper from the control circuit. In this case, we remove the G191 temperature sensor jumper. Check the fault codes again in the VCDS diagnostic system. You will now see a fault code specifically related to the disconnected G191 sensor. To fix the fault, reconnect the jumper to restore the control circuit and erase the fault codes again using the VCDS diagnostic system. Next, we can analyze live data parameters of various sensors in the climate control system. Click on Measuring Blocks and select the groups you want to monitor. In this example, we begin with Group 1, which shows the compressor's live data. Currently, the value is 6. According to the information chart, this value means the compressor is off due to the Econ button being active. Now, if we switch the mode to Auto, the value changes to 0, which indicates that the compressor is running. Note that vehicle speed is simulated in this environment. Proceed to Group 2, which corresponds to the temperature regulator flap Motor V68. Its default value is 37. When we change the temperature setting, we can observe live changes in the motor's parameters. Now check Group 3, which displays data from the central air flap motor V70. This flap controls the direction of airflow within the ducting system. Change the airflow direction to the windshield and observe how the live parameters of the V70 motor change in response. This concludes the practical task, where we simulated read-erased fault codes and analyzed live data from climate control system components using the VCDS diagnostic tool.